Hi, this is Richard C. I'm a math tutor here at Wyzant, answering a question submitted by a student. This question might seem impossible to answer at first. They're saying if the zeros of a function f has three zeros here at r1, r2, r3, what are the zeros of g, this other function g, which is 6 f of x? And you might be thinking, oh, how can I possibly do that? So the key insight here is that g of x is equal to 6 times f of x. So another way, let's turn that around and let me just change colors here. If x comma y is on f, lies on f, that's on f, then x comma 6y, that point will lie on g. Another way of saying it is this is a vertical stretch of 6. So if we know that on f, r1 is 0, r2 is 0, and r3 gives you 0, then it must also be true that r1, 6 times 0 is 0. And so you're going to get the same zeros here on G as you did on F. So those are the zeros of G. Just erase that. Let's look at it graphically, which often is a good way to do things. But we can look at it, algebraically as well. You just have to understand how to go from a point that lies on F to a point that lies on G using the same x value. Because the x hasn't changed, just the y. If we were to look at it this way, say this is f of x, something like that. Let me just clean that up a little bit. Not happy with the way I drew that. Once again, not happy with that. Let me just go like that. Okay. Hope I'm not going to get rid of the whole thing. I did. I got rid of the whole thing. So bear with me. Sorry. Okay, so if that's F, then G, so that's f of x. And this would be R1, R2, R3 here. Then G of x, you see it's going to go through these same zeros here. It's just that the y will be multiplied by a factor of 6, so it's going to be, coming way the heck down here, see? And it's going to be coming way the heck up here. But it's going to still go through those zeros. It's just going to be more exaggerated vertically. and that would be your g of x. So that's all that's going on here. It's just a vertical stretch. And once you realize that, you can answer the question. Okay, so this student is going, probably taking Algebra 2, and there are going to be many different kinds of transformations of functions. You're going to see horizontal shift left to right. You'll see vertical shifts up and down. You'll see scale changes. These are called scale changes. And you can increase the scale or decrease the scale. And you can increase vertically, decrease vertically. You can increase horizontally, decrease horizontally. Those are called scale changes. And also you're going to see reflections. So you're starting a fairly big topic in Algebra 2. Just hang in there. When you first see it, it looks very confusing, but it's really not too bad. Okay, so that's it for this question. I'll see you again next time. Bye-bye.